Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saccy, back again with another video for you guys. As you guys can see by the title, you already know what I'm about to be doing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please don't make it your last visit. And if you're new here, I am Saccy. I make videos about beauty and lifestyle, so please make sure to subscribe, like this video. I'm officially starting my personal business, so I want to go to the market now to get stuff that I'm going to need to start my personal business. I heard that the best place to get everything that I need is at Trace Fair Center at Mile 2. It's my first time going to Trace Fair Center, but I already got the direction from my friend, so I want to carry you guys along with me from start to finish on how I'm going to start my business. So when I get to Trace Fair Center, I asked around where I can get press-on nail supplies, and someone directs me to this store. And this complex is called Abia Complex, just in case you want to get stuff for your press-on nails also. So this is everything that I got, and I'll be explaining everything in details. I think I got too much because I was thinking I don't want to go back there because the place is really far to where I stay. I don't want to go back, so I get SS. I'm going to break this down in sections so that I won't be all over the places. The first thing you want to do, that I did starting a business, is brainstorm ideas. First thing first, get yourself a book. I always have my book and my pen with me. You can use the notepad on your phone and brainstorm any ideas, anything that comes to your mind, just write it down. So I created a business name, a business logo, and creating a business logo, I went on Canva and I searched for press-on nails business logo ideas, and I got my idea there. I created the logo and I print it out. This is the logo. I haven't cut it yet, so I went on Pinterest and I searched for how to install press-on nails and thank you cards. So I created this is my thank you card at the front, and applications on how to install press-on nails at the back. So I'm going to cut this out when I'm ready. So the second thing I did was get supplies for making press-on nails. It's a press-on nail business. You need to get a nail tip. This is square shape. Got it in different sizes. I got this short one, a medium. This is medium size. I got everything in different shapes and sizes. I got a lot of gel polish. You can see different colors that I want to start with. I got top coats. I got base coats, also base coats. I got matte top coats because sometimes you want to do different designs. And I got blooming gel. You're going to need a nail stand and a tack kit and nail stand. I need to place the tack kit on the nail holder stand for the nail tips to hold on perfectly. And you will actually need a lead lamp, but I already have this one at home. So the third thing that I got was supplies for making nail designs. So I got this. You can see this comes with this to pick the stones. And I also get this transfer foil. Really like this one. It's really cute. I got butterflies, foil paper in different colors. This is what will give your nail beauty. And I got supplies for packaging and delivery. This is a jewelry box, so I'm starting with this. I got them in different colors. I got this double-sided tape. This is what I'm going to use to stick the nail tips inside the box. And for the prep kit, I got a mini file. I got a mini bova, and I got this as well. What's this name again? Cuticle pusher. Glue as well, this mini glue. And I got this adhesive and also alcohol pad. I got Ziploc that I'm going to put everything inside, and I got bubble mailer that I'm going to pack everything inside. I got them in different colors. I'm so excited to start this business. My interest in nails has gone beyond making it for myself only. I intend to start making money out of it now. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys what type of nails that I will be making. So please make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Catch you guys later in my next video.